oil supply, again, no, let me state that as of now, there are two countries that are supplying us already. We have guaranteed that they will continue supplying us. And the only question is the issue price. So what we're working on is to ensure that there is at least a 60-day stockpile. And hopefully, the tensions that are flowing in the Middle East will be settled soon. So even the price, the pressures that are being exerted for the price to go up will not be. But we will have a normalization of the price situation.
Sir, are we going to put up a water reclamation plan in the Philippines?
Water reclamation. Well, the first step actually we're doing is we're going to put all of the agencies that have to deal with water under one agency. So there is a coordinated single plan that we put in place. There are times that you have cross-purposes with the agencies tasked with managing water. We have more land to capture the water, to preserve it. We have to work on the watershed. So that might be one of the necessary steps. So treating a lot to go on the ground. We have something like 14 water treatment plants. So do we have to go into the reclamation aspect? Perhaps not yet. You know, we have to even go back further. They've segregated the sewage system from the catchment for from all of the reservoirs. In the Philippines, we don't have everybody connected to the sewage system, especially in Metro Manila. So we can't even talk about segregation of that aspect. But it grows given the Supreme Court has ordered the government to the cleanup of Manila Bay, Pasig, etc.
Okay, last month Mr. President, yung usapin po sa Pilipinas, yung pong pag-usa ng impeachment kay Ombudsman ng si Vice President. Reaction ba ito?
Yung nasa Kongreso siyempre po yan. Wala sa House, tapos sa Senado, ang sinasabi lang po natin, kung tayo nagtatanong, ang dami kong kaso, bakit ito ganyan, hindi na mabat? At ako yung nagtatanong, ano ba yung salita? Ano yung classic na example ko? Yung hostage crisis. Ang in-issue ni Mendoza, meron siya parang may tatlong grupong tatlo sa ng gobyerno ang nagdinig ng kaso. May IAS na yung Internal Affairs Service ng PNP, election ko siya. Meron pang isa na dinismiss yung kaso na hindi dumating yung complainant. Yung ombudsman, tinanggap yung kaso na hindi rin nagpakita yung complainant. Dinisyon na ng dismissan. Meron kang karapatan na mag-motion for reconsideration. Sa rules po nila, 5 days. 9 months later, hindi pa ho inaksyonan yung reconsideration. Ang pabigat doon, habang walang final resolution, hindi ka pwedeng tumulong sa mas mataas na kaya tuluyan ang nawalan ng pag-asa ko sa Congress. So pinatawag po natin, dahil lumabas ko sa Ombudsman Act, office ako po, ang dapat naging discipline doon sa Deputy Ombudsman at saka Special Prosecutors. So pinasagot po natin. At ang sagot ko na tama ng dito, ay wala raw yata kami jurisdiction sa kanya, yung Ombudsman lang. So dito, gagamitin po natin yung kapangyarihang binigay ng batas para panagutin. Hindi lang po yung ombudsman, pero lahat na nga nito dapat naman sumagot sa kamulungan. Tayo ba yung post na natin? May proseso dadaanan. Pero at the end of the day, hindi naman pwedeng hindi nas harapin yung mga issues na pagkatagalan sa akin. Okay, last po sa floor natin.
Binabati ko po si Senator Marroa sa mga kritik. Ano po ang masasabi natin?
Dito lalo na sa Singapore, dahil sa personal na reason sa government official. Siya ho nagpakilala sa akin sa government official na dito po sa Singapore, na kung saan napakusad na mas mabilis yung aming pag-uusap dahil na meron silang personal relationship. Sa Indonesia, yung business group, sa hindi kaya natin pagkalalaki ang mga negosyo ko, yung mga conglomerates sa Indonesia. Hindi mo bababa sa kalahati ito. May personal relationships. So, ano ba lang ko dito? Yung imbis na nag-upisa kami pakakilala na ngayon ito baka hindi kaya natin tumulong sa atin. Magpapakilala ako ngayon, makita kami ulit after 6 months, kaya ko na ibigay sila sa Pilipinas, pag-aralan nila, tapos babalik sila after 6 months, tapos pag isang taon na naman, after that, bago umpisa yung negosyo, sino nakinaban? So na short, para na fast forward doon kagad, na may trust na na-inject na yung pagsama sa Senator House, Senator Roy, gumagastos sa rin ng pera. Ano yung maisip? Masyadong pinapasokan ng politika. Dapat ang focus po natin, yung trabaho ng kababayan.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.